Did you know why the Chinese shred round bottle gourds into thin strands?
During the harvest season, the yield is so abundant that they can't eat it all at once. To preserve the excess, people came up with a clever method. They use a rotating shaft to peel the gourds, then a special tool to shred them into long, thin, uniform strands. These fresh strands are hung on lines and sun-dried, much like hanging laundry. After a few days in the sun, the strands become dry, lightweight, and slightly chewy, and can be stored all year without spoiling. When needed, you just soak them to soften, rinse them clean, and they're ready to stir-fry, cook in soup, or simmer with meat. These dried round bottle gourd dishes not only have a light, rustic flavor, but also reflect a beautiful tradition in Chinese culinary culture. These dried round bottle gourd dishes not only have a light, rustic flavor, but also reflect a beautiful tradition in Chinese culinary culture.